The Pole-to-Pole Expedition team and Nissan recently introduced a rugged version of the Ariya electric SUV that will embark on a 27,000 kilometers journey from the North Pole to the South Pole. This epic adventure is set to start in March and will challenge the Ariya with extreme terrains and environments including ice fields, deep snow, steep mountain climbs, and inhospitable desert dunes. Arctic Trucks, experts in polar expedition vehicles, collaborated with Nissan design and engineering teams to prepare the Ariya for these tough conditions with minimal modifications. The suspension and addition of 39-inch tires are the most noticeable changes, along with E-Force, Nissan's advanced electric all-wheel control technology, to allow the Expedition car to handle extreme terrains with comfort and control. Expedition leader Chris Ramsey said, "We aim to make minimal changes to the standard production EV to demonstrate its everyday capabilities, and the Ariya is no exception." The drivetrain and battery remain factory standard, showing the Ariya's versatility and capability. With modified suspension and wider wheel arches, we can tackle the ends of the earth in style. Chris will have access to a specially integrated espresso machine and a drone that launches from the utility unit on the roof to capture the stunning environments. A portable, renewable energy unit will also be used to charge the Ariya in the polar regions using a packable, lightweight wind turbine and solar panels that will take advantage of high winds and long daylight hours.